je sebab apa monyet lompat. Apa yang dia nak sembunyi? Salah satunya botol air. Mana ada botol air, sembunyi kat sini. Water bottle and on their mind they only think plastic bag. All other boat only they will jump just because of the plastic bag actually. They actually have a food inside. Okay, make sure everybody hand inside. Jangan tak dalam.